Hi, this is Twigs. I'm just on my way to the studio. I picked me up a flat white. I'm ready to smash it today. It's a good day, sun's out, I'm feeling positive. Got a couple of things that's gonna be happening today. Okay, bye.
This is my piece dedicated to landfill.
Look, I really shouldn't have to explain to you guys why landfills are bad. This is our health, damn it. I mean, we've only got one. We've only got one. I'm just gonna... Businesses love to make money and businesses produce waste. So businesses need their wrists slapped by government policies. These businesses are they'll put it in a bag and throw it in the ocean if you let them.
Nature and nurture. That's all I have to say. Nature, nurture, nature, nurture, nature, nurture, nature, nurture, nature, nurture, nature, nurture. Nature, nurture, nature, nurture, nature, nurture, nature, nurture, nature. This is probably my most meditative piece. It fills me with deep emotions. It makes me think about landfills, beaches, and swimming in the ocean. I love the ocean. I found that quite emotional. It was quite intense. I don't really know how I feel about that, actually. Can we cut? Nature. Artwork. 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 Artwork.